In this video, we're going to talk about 3 important AWS services that are mainly used by business users and end users: Amazon Connect, Amazon WorkSpaces, and Amazon AppStream. All 3 services are about delivering user experiences from the cloud instead of relying on hardware and software in your office. Let's start with the first one, Amazon Connect. Amazon Connect is a cloud-based contact center service that lets you build a support or call center without buying phone systems or special hardware. Here's what it makes it useful. It's fully in the cloud. You don't manage phone servers, PBX, or telephony equipment. AWS runs that for you, and agents just need a browser and internet. They can work from almost anywhere with a web browser, a headset, and a stable connection. This service scales with your demand as well. For example, if your call volume goes up, you can scale up in the cloud instead of installing new hardware. Some of the common use cases are customer support centers for inbound and outbound calls or chats, or internal help desks like IT supports for employees. Now that we've covered contact centers, let's move on to virtual desktops with Amazon WorkSpaces. Amazon WorkSpaces is a managed virtual desktop service. Instead of giving users physical desktops or laptops, you give them a full desktop that runs securely in AWS. So, how does this actually work in practice? Each user gets their own personal desktop, either Windows or Linux, running entirely in the AWS cloud. From the user's point of view, it feels like a normal computer, but everything is hosted and managed centrally. Users can connect to that desktop from many different types of devices, and this could be a thin client, a low-power laptop, a home PC, or even a tablet. No matter of the device, they're always connecting to the same cloud-based desktop. Only the screen is streamed to the user. All the data and all the processing stays inside AWS. This is a big win for security because sensitive files and applications don't need to live on personal devices. Because of this setup, Amazon WorkSpaces is commonly used to provide secure desktops for remote employees or contractors. It's also a popular choice for standard desktops for temporary workers or students where you want fast setup and consistent environments without managing physical machines. Now, if WorkSpaces gives you a full desktop in the cloud, what if you don't need the entire desktop experience? What if you only need to deliver a single application? And that's exactly where Amazon AppStream 2 comes in. Amazon AppStream is a fully managed application streaming service that instead of streaming a full desktop like WorkSpaces, it streams a specific application from AWS directly to the user's browser. So what does it actually look like? You install the application once inside AppStream, and users access it through the web browser. There's no local installation required, and nothing permanent gets installed on their user's device. All the heavy processing happens in the cloud, and that means users can run graphics-heavy or compute-intensive applications even on low-power devices because AWS is doing the hard work behind the scenes. Software management is also much simpler in this way. You update the application in one central place and everyone automatically gets access to the new version right away without manual upgrades or patches on their user devices. Because of this model and the way that it works, Amazon AppStream is commonly used for graphics-intensive or highly specialized business applications like design, engineering, or visualization tools. It's also a great fit when you need browser-based access for partners, customers, or students who only need temporary or project-based access. So the core idea is it lets you stream individual applications through the browser, almost like a SaaS application. So to keep everything straight, here's a simple way to remember each of these services. Amazon Connect is used to build a contact center in the cloud for things like customer calls or chats. Amazon WorkSpaces is about providing full virtual desktops to users, and Amazon AppStream 2 is for streaming specific applications directly through the browser. Alright, that is it for this quick video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you're subscribed to your YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next videos.